Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to create the perfect workout plan tailored just for you. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, this guide will help you get the most out of your workouts. And stick around, because I'll be sharing some controversial facts about fitness that might just surprise you. First things first, you need to set clear and specific goals. Are you looking to build muscle, lose fat, increase strength, or improve endurance? Knowing your goal is crucial because it will shape your entire workout plan. Here's a controversial fact. Some experts argue that focusing on multiple goals at once can actually hinder your progress. They believe it's better to concentrate on one goal at a time for maximum results. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Next, let's talk about your workout split. This is how you divide your workouts throughout the week. Common splits include full body workouts, upper, lower body splits, and push, pull, legs splits. Controversial fact number 2. Some fitness enthusiasts swear by full body workouts every day, while others believe in giving each muscle group more rest. The truth is, it depends on your body's recovery ability and your personal preference. Now, let's choose your exercises and decide on the number of sets and reps. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are great for building overall strength and muscle. Here's a hot take. Some people believe that lifting heavy weights with low reps is the only way to build muscle. However, studies have shown that lifting lighter weights with higher reps can be just as effective, especially for muscle endurance. Finally, it's important to track your progress and adjust your plan as needed. Keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to log your workouts, track your progress, and make adjustments based on your results. And here's a controversial fact to wrap things up. Some fitness gurus claim that you need to change your workout routine every few weeks to avoid plateaus. But others argue that sticking to a consistent plan and gradually increasing the intensity is more effective. What do you think? There you have it, folks. A simple guide to creating your own workout plan, with a few controversial facts to keep things interesting. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.